What you guys, got a quick basic video here for you on desktop shortcuts, and we're going to be taking a look at it inside Windows 10. Now, the old desktop icons that used to be able to enable inside Windows 7 and stuff like that has now changed. You need to go to Start Settings and then go to Personalize, and you will then be able to detect your desktop icons. Also, there's other ones that you can enable, which I'll show you a bit later on in the video. So most of you people are probably going to know how to do this nowadays, but you want to come down to where it says Themes, and then over on the right hand side you can see Desktop Icon Settings. Inside here, this is where the box is where you can enable Computer, User Files, Network, Control Panel and Recycle Bin. Now, they made this very easy in Windows 7, but for some reason they seem to bury it a little bit inside Windows 10, and I think a few people were wondering where this disappeared to, but it's still there. They just hid it a little bit more inside Windows 10. So that's basically how you can enable those, and that's how you can add those on to your desktop. Here we do have all the common user profile, network, also this PC and control panel. I'll show you how to add some others in as well, and I wanted to make this video. I know it's very basic and most people do know how to do it, but there is a lot of people that don't, and also some people have asked me the question, where is it gone and has it disappeared? It's still there, they just buried it, that's all. So let's go back into Control Panel and add some other shortcuts which are pretty useful, which some people might not know how to do. So I'm going to go into Large Icons under the Category tab here, and then right click on the Administrative Tools, and as you can see here, we do have a Create Shortcut. So you can now see Windows can't create a shortcut here, so it'll just stick it straight on the desktop, and now we have access to the administrative tools from inside here, which is very useful and quick, and you can pin that to your taskbar as well. Now also, you can see here you can do this for pretty much any type of icon that you want to create a shortcut to your desktop to. So you can just right click on these and create a shortcut just like so, and say yes, and it will put it onto your desktop. Very simple stuff, and this just gives you quick and easy access to these locations that you use most frequent, and shortcuts are very useful. Now you can also go into the administrative tools and also create shortcuts from inside here onto your desktop. So there might be applications like services and other things like that that you want to pin to your taskbar or the desktop. So all you do in this case is right click on this and then go send to, and then put desktop on there, and it will create a desktop shortcut for that particular service. Now you do not want to drag this inside here onto your desktop, because that will then remove the shortcut from the administrative tools folder, and that would then mess things up. So you don't want to do that. You want to do it by doing the send to, and it gives you access to your services very quickly. So that's basically how you can add those to your desktop or your taskbar or start menu. Pretty straightforward and easy to do. Now also in the run box here, you can also add shortcuts in via code. You can see Explorer Shell : : : and there'll be little key codes that you can sort of add in here, and it will give you quick access to these, okay? And that's basically how you can do those, and there's a big long list of those which you can get from the Microsoft website, which will show you how to access those very quickly. Now another shortcut that you may want to add, which I'll show you here, if we go into our browser, you can see there is a list of keyboard shortcuts, which are shortcuts which you can just use your keyboard with, and this is what I like to use most of all, the Windows key, and also you've got other types of keys which you can just push and it will open up those areas, as you can see here. So you can see here the Windows flag key, or the logo key, or whatever you want to call it, is on your keyboard, and you can push other keys in conjunction with that, and it will then open up those locations. And I'll leave the link for this in the video description, and it's good to learn some of these, because some of the ones you use more often, like Explorer and stuff like that, and Run, you can get to those locations by just pushing the Windows key and that key in conjunction with the flag key, and it will then open up. Okay, so all you need to do here is just push on the keyboard whatever you want to use. So let's go ahead and try a couple of these right now for you. You just can use the Windows key, and you can see it's opening up a few items on the screen. I'll also open up the Windows settings, which is the Windows key, and also as you can see I'm listing it here, and I'll quickly show you how to do this one. It's very straightforward. and it gives you quick access to locations which you frequently use, and it's a very quick and easy way to speed up your workflow. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a quick basic video for you. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Have a great weekend, guys, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.